Alright, so if you made it this far, congratulations. We only have one color to go, which is orange. Now, what does orange actually represent? It represents the trailer. So I want you to go to page number 2 of the pre-trip inspection script, and we're going to change things up a little bit. So where you see the word frame, we highlighted that in blue before. What I want you to do is take this orange highlighter and highlight it right next to where it says frame, as you see in this diagram right over here, because the reason why we're doing that is to remind you that you're going to have a frame on the tractor. You're also going to have a frame on the trailer you're going to have to talk about as well. So this is a visual reminder for that. Underneath where it says frame, you're going to have to highlight in orange where it says floor, including the trailer. And then underneath that, you're going to have to underline where it says trailer tandem release lever. All right? These are two things that in most cases are going to be inspected on the trailer itself. So that's where we're highlighting it in orange. Very super important for that. Now, if you're taking that Class B box truck type of thing, you don't really have to worry about the orange part, but you do have to talk about the floors. You're not going to have a trailer, but in the box truck portion of the Class B, you're going to have to talk about the floors there, right? Now, also, we're going to do the same thing where it comes to lenses and reflectors, because this is going to remind us, yes, we have lenses and reflectors, lights and reflectors that we have to talk about on the actual tractor, but we also have the same lenses and reflectors down the side and the back of the trailer as well. So this is going to remind us that we have to talk about those. And it's pretty simple. We're going to have to say, okay, all my light lenses and reflectors are clean, not broken, not missing, and proper color. And you're going to have to point to all of them, all right? Now, the next one we're going to highlight is going to be on the next page, page number 3, and that's going to be landing gear and clearance. So here we're going to be talking about the landing gear. This is actually the legs of the trailer. So when the trailer is not hooked up to an actual tractor, the trailer has to be able to stand up on its own, and that's what landing gear is. And then clearance, we're going to be talking about to make sure that there's enough clearance between the tractor and the trailer so the tractor can make enough turns without damaging the trailer itself. And then the last thing of the training itself is going to be highlighting where it says reflective tape. So on the reflective tape, like I said, we're going to be talking about the reflective tape on the side and on the rear of the trailer, and to make sure that everything is affixed and make sure it's all stuck in a good place and making sure everything is looking good. And that's pretty much everything that you have to worry about when it comes to the actual orange itself, right? So watch the next video and we'll go through the rest of this script right over here.